Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you a tag that I have been making. I'm meeting with some crafty friends and we were tasked to make 5 tags for each of us, and there's 4 of us total, so this is one of the tags that I am swapping with them. And I've used the Stamps of Life set. The word joy is from the Stamps of Life. I'm not sure what set it came from, but the other set I use for the bow and the poinsettia is from that one is from Wreath2stamp, I believe. Wreath2stamp. It was in the I got the bow and the poinsettias and the hollies from the paper pack. Here it is. I was looking for it. It is the Holiday Wishes paper pack, and I did use some of the cutouts from it. Like I said, it is the Stamps of Life. I also so I cut out the backing of the sentiment in vellum, and then I used foil paper for the joy. So I will adhere those together. This is how the tag is gonna come out. So all I did was adhere the joy to the word joy to the outline that I cut out of vellum. I got this paper from the paper pack, and then I used these dies that I have in my stash to cut out that paper pack, to cut out the tag, and to cut out a white base to make it more stable, and so you can write on here if you needed to. These poinsettias, like I said, and the holly and the bow I got from the paper pack, and I just cut those out with the I do have some dies that coordinate with some of that stuff in the paper pad. So that, I added some jemmies for the centers of the poinsettia, and so I'm just gonna play some music and assemble one for you. I'll be back.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish. And as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day.
So that's my tag. Very simple to come together. It's pretty thick and sturdy, so I hope my crafty friends enjoys. Stay tuned and I'll share with you the rest of the tags I make as well. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey. Hope you guys are having a good start to the holiday season. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.